There we go. Hello, little munchkin. Hello, little munchkin. Can we go over here? Yes. Oh, look at you. You're so pretty. Oh, yeah. Chum's gonna get mad. I'm sorry. I'm sorry. Can I see how pretty you are? Ooh, look at those pretty tail feathers. Wow. You are a pretty one. What? Hi. Hi there. You step down. Oops. Oh. Oh, I don't want to be loved. Can you scoot back a little bit? I can't see what I'm doing. Look at them pretty tail feathers. Aha! Are you crying? Are you crying out there, Amarillo? Aha! Yes. Oh, what a sweetie pie. Yes, are you my little sweetie pie? Yes. What a good boy you are. Yes. Look at them pretty tail feathers. Where are you going? Oh boy. I hear you, Amarillo. Amarillo by morning. There you go. Okay, I'm going to turn this off.